you all, it's Stream from where the yolk's grown. As you can see, we're in the backyard, and I thought it was time for a chicken vlog update so you can see all 5 of the girls. You can see them back there foraging in the backyard. They do roam pretty free from morning until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon when we put them up, because about 3 I have to leave and go get the kids from school, except for on the weekends. So let me turn this camera around. We're gonna go get some eggs, and we're going to show you each one of the chickens and how much they have grown. I think it's time for a little chicken vlog. We haven't done one in a long time. As you can see, the girls are laying. We'll lay out the eggs. This is Raptor, this is Ruby, and this is Ostara. And we have a visitor. This is Paisley. Paisley will probably lay an egg later on today. This is my day that I will get 5 eggs. It happens about every other week. Say hi, Paisley. You want to say hi? She's actually probably wanting me to get out of the way so she can lay. Are you going to lay, Mama? You going to lay? Huh? You going to lay down? Paisley is my very sweet and lovable chicken. She gets a little upset when I take eggs. So we're going to take these eggs and get them inside. Y'all, we're going to leave Paisley alone. Let her do her thing, and we're gonna go over here see the other girls. Plum tree is blooming. This is elderberry. It is blooming. And this beautiful big girl right here, who's always very curious. Hey, Miss Pearl. Miss Pearl, we don't want to see your butt. Can you come over and say hi, Miss Pearl? No? Okay. Well, this is Pearl. Pearl literally just, sorry about the plane, guys. Pearl literally just started laying a couple of weeks ago, while the other girls have been laying for a couple of months. This pretty girl, here comes the most excited one. This pretty girl is Ostara, and this sweet little baby, this is my Ruby. Now, Ruby is very friendly, and she likes people. Mainly, she likes the little one. And of course, Ostara. Ostara is one of the pretty girls, but so is Miss Pearl. I love all my chickens. And then we'll go take you to show you Miss Troublemaker. Now, Miss Troublemaker is the prettiest one of the group, and she's always in trouble, aren't you? And that is Miss Raptor, and she is a beautiful girl. I just love her fuzzy feet. I am getting 4 new chickens. I'm not going to get baby chickens. I am going to get, I think they call them pullets or pellets. I'm getting 4 of those from a beautiful lady up by San Antonio. I think Austin area. Maybe, I don't know. It's Lavender Farms. And so I'm going up there. She's giving me, I'm getting 4 chickens. And I think they're either going to be copper marins or leg bars. It's maybe 2 of each or 4 of one. I don't know. But the chicks have been born, and they are with their mamas right now. But since I asked for hens, we're going to wait until she knows exactly who's a hen and who's a rooster. But there's my, well, 4 of my girls. The other one, which is Miss Paisley, went and laid an egg. That's the chickens and how they look today. They are getting quite the upgrade at the new property. They're getting a larger hen house and then a larger run, and they have just under 2 acres to roam anywhere they want. Currently, there are 2 roosters on the property, so if you're someone who's looking for a rooster not to eat, I'm not getting rid of them for that reason. I just don't want roosters. Let me know down in the comments if you're in the area, because when we move in there, these 2 roosters, they seem to be very calm and very sweet, but like I said, I just don't want a rooster, so they're going to need a new home. Till I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and you find a local egg farmer and get you some eggs. Until I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.